Honorable min.Nyamutoro yeebazizza President Museveni okumulonda kuba Minister wa Energy and Minerals. Ye State Minister wa Sports, Minister Ogwanga Parliament emutaddeko akazito aleeta embalirira eya obuwumbi obusoba mu bubiri bwe baamuwa okuba nga addaabiriza ekisaawe ky'e Nakivubo. Ebyo n'ebirala byenkoletedde nja kusaba video gimpere like ate mukwano ng'otanna subscribinga or subscribe.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the ministers present, permanent secretaries, the entire local leadership of Mbarara City, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Your Excellency, I want to take this opportunity to start by thanking you for appointing me Minister of State of Energy and Mineral Development in charge of minerals. Thank you so much for granting me this opportunity to serve in this vital docket. I also extend my appreciation to my senior colleagues, the Honorable Dr. Ruth Nankabira Sentamu, Honorable Okasai, the Permanent Secretary, Ms. Irene Batebe, and the entire ministry technical team for the great support they have offered me since you appointed me in this critical role. Your Excellency, I congratulate Woodcross Resources for coming to Uganda, first of all, but yet again today launching the very first tin smelting company in our country. Your Excellency, today's launch is manifestation of the vision that you have always borne as a leader. You have always been steadfast, and today all the doubting Thomases get to see that your vision has always been clear from the word go. My hope is that as we live here today, Ugandans across the country can get the encouragement and hope that even within us as Ugandans, we are able to have a citizen one day put up such, and where we can ably speak of value addition as we attract more investors. Your Excellency, the launch of this company is also a wake-up call to many young people across the country, and I hope this goes as a resounding echo, encouraging them to equip themselves with the necessary skills so that they are able to be utilized by such establishments. And as we look forward to bettering the mineral sector, would have young people directly involved in the mineral value chain, seeing that we fast-track the development of our country.
Right Honorable Speaker Aneta Mongo asabye State Minister owa Sports okuleta embalirira eya ssente ezisoba mu buwumbi 97 owamuweebwa okuba nga addaabiriza ekisaawe kya Mandela Stadium e Namboole. Kino nno kiddiridde okuba nga ekisaawe kiri mu mbeera etatuukagana na mutindo guhostinga CAF nga kino singa kituuka mu mwaka gwa 2026 nga ekisaawe kino tekinnatuukagana na mutindo bagenda kuba Uganda bagijjako omukisa oguhostinga CAF Cup naye nga munnange ye ababaka abasinga baagala okuba nga Honorable Ogwang alekulira ekifo kye kubanga omulimu gwe baamuwa gumulemeredde.
Permanent Secretary and Secretary of Treasury communicated additional expenditure limit for the second quarter of financial year 2023-2024 amounting, among which was 17.6 billion for completion of the works of Namboole. While the Ministry warranted and invoiced these funds by 25th of March 2024, to date, no funds have been credited to the bank accounts for Namboole National Stadium. Madam Speaker, to be exact, my senior minister has written 3 letters right from December to date. That's what we have as far as Namboole is concerned. Right, Honorable Speaker and colleagues. Once the Minister of Education and Sports receive the requisite funding, our priority shall be to work on areas that were highlighted as a necessity during the recent CAF inspections, which were funded and invited by the Ministry of Education and Sports, so that we comply with the requirements to host the upcoming World Cup qualifier in June 2024 African Championship and the AFCON 2027. Right, Honorable Speaker. This is the current state of the Mandela National Stadium as we prepare for the forthcoming African Championship and the African Cup of Nations tournament. Madam Speaker, I beg to submit.